Hello everyone, welcome to HJ Programming Solutions. So from today onwards we are starting with the Java tutorials. So in this Java tutorials I will be covering all the Java topics with the practical example. Okay, now today I will just walk you through the syllabus, and from next session onwards we will start the actual topics. Okay, so now let me just show you the syllabus what we are going to cover in this Java tutorial series. Okay, let's go to the syllabus. Here I have created the syllabus for the Java which we will be covering in this Java tutorial series. Okay, so what are the topics we will cover? So very first we have basics of the Java. In the basics of the Java chapter, I will cover what is Java, why Java, how to write your first Java program. Okay, and then all the control statements like if else if, while, do while, switch, for, break, continue, etc. All of these control statements we will learn with the example, and also we will understand in which situation we should use if, in which situation we should use while, for, switch. Okay, after that we will see what is identifiers and variables, then keywords, Java primitive data types, operators, and vararg method. Okay, all of these topics come under basics of the Java, so we will cover all of these topics. After that, the second chapter is a class fundamentals. In the class fundamentals we will understand what is class and object, how to create the method in the class, then what is the local variables, instance variables, constructor, then what are the type of constructors we have. So everything we will cover. After that we will see what is method overloading, why method overloading is required, and what is constructor overloading and how we can do that. Okay, all of this we will learn with the coding examples. Then the third topic is a static modifier. In the static modifier, we will learn what is static variables, what is a static method, static class, and static block. After that, we will learn access specifiers. So we have public, default, protected, and private, right? So we will see what is public, what is default, what is protected, and what is private. Everything we will see in a detailed way. Then the very important topic is the inheritance in Java. So in this chapter we will cover everything related to the inheritance, like what is inheritance, what are the benefits we are getting from the inheritance, what are the type of inheritance we have, then super keyword, method overloading, after that method overriding, what is difference between these and super keyword. So all of these topics which are related to the inheritance will be covered in this chapter, and this is very important chapter in the Java. Okay, after that we have non-primitive data types. So majorly we will cover array and string. So here we will see a lot of examples related to the arrays and string. Okay, then the next chapter is exception handling. So in exception handling, everything related to the exception, like exception class, what is exception, how we can create the exception, what is try, what is catch, what is finally, everything. Okay, so all of these topics will be covered in the exception handling chapter. After that we have file handling. So we will see what is the file class, how many ways we can create the file. Okay, what are the methods we have in the file class, everything we will see in this file handling chapter. And then a very important chapter is a collection framework. So in the collection framework we will learn all the interfaces, like we have list, we have set, then we have map. Okay, so we will learn everything in the collection framework. After that we will go with the multi-threading, and then once we are done with all of this syllabus, Then at last we will see some Java 8 features. Okay. Here a very important feature is a stream API. So we will learn so many examples, the coding questions related to the stream API. Okay, and also we will understand what is lambda expression, what is functional interface. Okay, then what are the enhancements came in the interface in the Java 8 version. Okay, what is this default method, static method, etc. And then at last we will see what is garbage collection, then what are the things we have in the java.lang package, what is string buffer, string builder, what is difference between them, right? And when we should go for string, when we should go for string buffer, and when for the string builder. And then what is a singleton class, how we can create the singleton class, what is immutable class, and how we can create the immutable class. Okay, so these are the overall topics we have for the Java tutorial series, and I will be covering each and every topic very detailed way. Okay, so I recommend all of you to save this playlist and subscribe this channel so that whenever I upload the new video, you will get the notification and you will not miss any video. Okay, just follow the series, you will understand everything you should know about Java. Okay, so for today's video I think I can stop here, because today I just planned the introduction, what are the things we want to cover in this series. Okay, from next session onwards I will start with the basics of the Java topics. Okay, so that's it for today. I think we can just stop here, and in the next session I will just start with what is Java and why we should learn Java. Yeah, thank you.